that how they fly?
Yeah, is that how they sit in the water when you see them?
Mm-hmm.
Like that? Look at that.
Bam. Mommy. I was able to track down one of the babies in the swamp and grab him. Here, little one. It's a spectacle caiman. Just a little hatchling. Oh, might be Mom calling. Alright, well here's the little caiman we caught. Down in the Amazon. I'll let him go because Mama's around here. I want to see if I can get a good shot of his mama. Let's let him go. Take care, buddy. Give it a scoop off. I think I hear Mama. Where you find Mama, she has glowing eyes. They'll glow red.